In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear autofill in Firefox quickly and safely. If you've been seeing old search terms, outdated form entries, or personal information pop up when you type, this simple process can help clean that up in just a few clicks. It's a great way to refresh your browser and keep your autofill suggestions more accurate. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy browser guides. Let's jump in. First, open Firefox on your computer. Once Firefox is open, you'll want to use a very quick shortcut to bring up the Clear Browsing Data menu. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. This shortcut opens the window where you can choose what Firefox should remove. When the menu appears, look for the Time Range drop-down menu, click it, and from the list of options, select Everything. This makes sure Firefox is not just clearing recent data, but all the saved form information you want removed. Next, look through the list of items you can clear. Find Saved Form Info and tick that option. This is the key setting for removing autofill entries from Firefox. After that, make sure all the other boxes are unticked if you only want to clear autofill and nothing else. That way, you won't accidentally remove browsing history, cookies, or other saved data unless you want to. Once everything is set correctly, click Clear. Firefox will remove the saved form information and clear the autofill data from your browser. Depending on how much data you have stored, it may take a moment to finish. After that's done, you can test it by clicking into a form field or search box and typing something that used to appear in autofill. If the process worked, those old suggestions should now be gone. And that's how to clear autofill in Firefox. It's fast, simple, and very useful if you want to tidy up your browser or remove outdated saved entries. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful Firefox and browser tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.